Calling all musicians, do you have original music you love to share with the world? Well, we are looking for talented musicians to contribute your original tracks to the InShot Music Library, and here are the benefits. Your work will reach 100 million users worldwide, and their videos will help spread your music. We'll give you full credit in the app, driving more visits and follows to your social page and websites. Receive a lifetime subscription to InShot Pro so you can edit your music videos, while earning donations from users who love your tracks. Submitting is easy. Just submit your original tracks via the form in the description. It's best if you upload multiple tracks so we can showcase your album within the app. And make sure you own the rights to the music. This is open to all musicians around the world, so there are no restrictions. Plus, it's an ongoing opportunity with no deadline. Don't miss this chance to showcase your talent in front of a global audience and grow your music career. Submit your tracks right now and join the InShot creative community.